Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to prepare instant pizza sauce, which takes just a few minutes to make. It is very easy to make and tastes much better than the store-bought one. You can prepare it anytime you wish to make a pizza. Ingredients and quantities are listed in the description box. If you like the recipe, please like and share our video and subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting recipes. Let's start making this delicious instant pizza sauce. In a mixing bowl, put 5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 teaspoons of red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of Tabasco sauce, 1 teaspoon of Szechuan sauce. This Szechuan sauce is homemade. Check out the recipe video link on the screen to watch how you can make it at home. And 1 teaspoon of pizza seasoning. Stir until the ingredients combine well. Our instant pizza sauce is ready. You can use it immediately or store it in an airtight bottle to use a bit later. There is no need to store it as you can make it whenever you wish to make pizza, as it just takes a few minutes to make. This instant pizza sauce tastes much better than the store-bought one. Do try it and share your feedback. Thanks for watching.